Yes, we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. Guys, we're going to talk about, is the crash over? Are these guys going to stop crashing the market? Are we going to see new highs? What's going on? So we're going to talk about that. And of course, we are going to get to your questions. So, shout out to everybody that's here. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you are, if you're just tired of losing every single month, hit that subscribe button, because over here, I only focus on, just winning, okay? Over here, guys, it's just how can we make more money now, okay? I only focus on the charts because the charts are the facts, and that's it. You have YouTubers all day telling you this is the bottom, or they reading you news, and that's not putting any money in your pocket. So if you're tired of that, definitely hit that subscribe button. Let me see if I see anybody in that live room. Let me pop out this chat room real quick. But thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. Okay, right now it's 7:43 p.m. Eastern time. All right. Of course, I'm gonna get to you guys' questions. I'm waiting for the people to tune in. Okay, people are coming in slowly. That's what's up. Okay, I see Dom. I see Mr. Davina. I see D. I see Randy. I see who else? Christopher. So, guys, like I said before, if you have any questions, type it in. I'm going to definitely get to your guys' questions. Let's see what's going on in CoinMarketCap. Actually, let's refresh this real quick. Make sure everything is on point. So right now, the market cap is at 126 billion. Okay, BTC dominance at 53.1. It all depends on whenever the market consolidates. I think that's when the dominance is really going to grow. But right now, everything is going down, and Bitcoin is going down. So I don't think the dominance is going to grow that high. It's going to be a point probably where, things just get crazy and we just consolidate. And that's when I think Bitcoin dominance is going to grow. Now, nothing's really going on in the crypto world. We saw one green bar today. Pretty much everything is green, but it's little. There's nothing crazy. And we're just going to talk about it. I mean, is the crash over? So let's talk about that. Now we'll get to your guys' questions. What's going on? What's going on, Ken, Sandy, Murray? Shout out to all you guys. James, Gauntlet, Cedric. All right, thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. So right now, let's go to the 4-hour real quick. So we had these flags, boom, boom, boom. If you look at the whole channel, I mean, basically, this is going on right now. We have a little channel going on with Bitcoin, and we just have to sit and wait and see if they want to consolidate around this area, create another flag, or basically reverse a little bit and go up maybe to the 4,000s. Okay. Now, what do I think? I think personally, what I think is probably the highest we're probably going to go is probably maybe 4,000, and maybe that's it. Okay, we might not even go to 4,000. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, now it's a possibility we can shoot up just for a little bit, and then see what's going on. But I don't think the crash is over. I believe that they want to probably slam this down one more time, at least one more time, before we see a decent up move. Okay, because you have to understand, you have to think like a whale when you look at these charts. Okay, you have to think like a whale. You can't think like a rookie, a person like a moon boy that's always thinking about the market is going to reverse. You can't think like that person. You always got to think like a whale. And the whale knows that everyone is trying to time the bottom, okay? This is why the whales will always wipe you out, because they know that you're trying to time the bottom, okay? They know that you bought right here. They know that you probably bought more right here. And they know that you're trying to buy more right here. So I believe that if we do go up, it's probably going to be just a little bit. And we're probably going to slam right back down, okay? They definitely want you to feel that pain. So just be careful, guys. Please do not try to do anything crazy. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. But you know, just be careful out here. I mean, people out here are reckless, buying the dips, you know, with their eyes closed. They just closing their eyes and buying the dips, guys. I mean, that's a horrible, horrible strategy. Okay, the market will humble you if you think you know it all. Okay, if you think you know it all, the market will humble you. Okay, you know, I've been doing this for 11 years, and it's to the point where when I'm day trading, I might think something that's outside of my strategy, and you know, a lot of times I'm tempted to take trades that's outside of my strategy, but I don't do it because a lot of times if I did, I would definitely be wrong, because whatever you think inside, a lot of times is wrong. Okay, that's why you have to have a proven strategy, a system that you can always follow, because once you follow a proven system, it doesn't matter what you think. Okay, as long as you follow the system, you should come out in the green. But if you do things based on your feelings inside, most likely you are going to get wrecked. Okay, because business is not about your feelings. All right, every big company, every big billion-dollar company, million-dollar company, these guys have systems in place, and that's how they run in their business. You know, every single day. They're not guessing. They're not saying, "Oh, I guess we're gonna do this today." No, they're not. Okay, so you have to have a system, because if you are doing things randomly, you are going to get random results, and you don't want to do that. You want to be consistent, guys. You definitely want to be consistent. So if you guys have any questions over here, definitely type in your questions. Right now, I do not see the crash stopping, and I don't see Bitcoin reversing and taking a break. I do see one more. I think I see one more move to the downside. They gotta hurry up though, because I'm looking at this weekly candle. I'm thinking by either tomorrow, if they don't do anything by tomorrow, probably this week is going to be a green week. Okay, they have to do something, because what I'm thinking is we're going to have another red week, but tomorrow is Wednesday if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so they have to do something by either tomorrow, or if they don't do nothing by tomorrow, Thursday and Friday has to be crazy. So, but this type of selling right here, I was thinking that most likely they at least want to test the bottom one more time, which is that 33 level, I believe. What is it? 34 level. All right. So let's see if I see any questions here. Again, guys, thanks a lot for stopping by. If you have any questions, let me know. If you are new to my channel, tired of losing, you're tired of listening to these crazy YouTubers telling you every single month the market's going to go up, but it goes down, hit that subscribe button, okay? Because over here, guys, I only focus on making money now, all right? And the only reason why I could focus on making money now is because I've been doing this for 11 years, okay? The rich is not playing the same games the average Joe is playing. So most of these guys in the crypto market, these guys are playing amateur games, and the rich is not playing the games you guys are playing. Okay, they're not playing the hodl game, they're not playing the guessing game, they're not playing buying the bottom game. They're not playing, let's buy the dips because we think the market is going to reverse tomorrow game. They're not playing those games, guys. They are making money consistently, daily, weekly, monthly. So you guys really have to understand that, and I want you guys to get to that level. Okay, let's see if I see any questions here. Get ready for that downfall bid. I hear you, bro. You say you keep on listening to my voice 24/7. Shout out to you, Dom. What's going on, Wasteland? James, hey, what's up, Ben? Did you get my email I resent just in case? Let me see your email. I think I replied to you, James. I think I replied to you. Did you check your email? I guess that's to be the next question. Did you check your email? And not only that, when you email me, what email did you use? Because I hope you got the right email. You know, that's very important. So hold on, I think I see your email right here, James. Yeah, I see your email, but I'm trying to figure out. I will definitely look at that when I get off this live stream. But I believe I emailed you back. What's going on, Ken, Oscar? Let me read these questions right here. You said time for bed. It's only 7:53. I mean, I don't know what, you said bedtime for you, for me. The bloodbath has just only started. Yes, I believe so too. Let me see. I believe we might get a spike November 30th, but for now, maybe drop to 32. What's November 30th? Let me know, please. I forget to. I'm reading these questions real quick. On the way down, do you think the bots will be in action? The bots are always in play. Okay, the bots are always in the market. The reason why they was playing around heavily when we was in this range, because we was basically bouncing back and forth. Okay, guys, you always have to remember the market has to move. It can't stay in one place. Okay. The market can't stay in one place, so it has to go somewhere eventually. Now, the real move was to the downside. I mean, it's obvious, right? So they will play games in the range. Okay, this is how they basically chop you up. Okay, so this is how they chop up, new people, rookies. They chop you up. And they trick you and make you believe that the market's about to go up and then slam right down, take all your money. Okay, so the real move is to the downside. So basically what I'm trying to say is when they make their real move, a lot of times they don't play games. They just keep going. Okay, so right now that's why you see the market drop, pause a little bit, drop, pause, drop, pause. Because these guys are not playing no more games. They just basically going down and going the way that they want to go. Okay. So when the momentum is either to the upside or the downside, they're not really playing a lot of games. Okay. You could just ride the waves. So when the only time they really play games is when they consolidate a little bit and chop people up. Yeah. Who else? Someone. James, are you still here? Because let me know. Are you still here in the building? Because I actually sent you an email. Let me see here. Let me read these questions. I'm guilty of doing that in the past, but I have been watching and trying to learn as much as possible so I don't make the same mistakes again. Let me give you a round of applause. And also, can you let people know, you know, what you did in the past? Because most people don't know exactly what you, what you did, and just tell people exactly. Did you buy the dips, or let people know exactly what you did. Let me see. Don't buy no more dips if you don't. If you do, you're a fool. Period. Let me see. Where is Leslie Savage? I don't know, bro. Now I saw him. Yesterday or whenever I went live. I saw him. What's going on, businessman? Shout out to you. You said 2,800 Bitcoin. That's definitely possible. Steve G said that's why I'm tired of hearing nothing but hype. With no real anything. You're right. Okay, and this is why I'm trying to tell you guys. Stop getting happy when you hear stories about Wall Street coming in or back coming in or we about the reverse or whatever the case is. All this stuff is just hype. All right, that's why I tell you guys focus on the charts. Okay, if back comes in and the market continues to go down, back doesn't mean anything. If you focus on the charts and the charts is telling you that this thing looks weak and it looks like it's going to continue to go down, who cares who comes in the market? Who cares the ETFs or back gets approved? It doesn't matter. If the market tells you, if the chart is telling you we are going to continue to go down, or it looks like we're going to continue to go down, you stick with the chart. Oh, you said bedtime for Dom? Yeah, I hear you, bro. 1 o'clock a.m. There will be a lot of automated buy orders at 3,000. It will reach a point to sit for a while. Yes, it will. That could be a good thing or a bad thing, but yeah, you're right. Like I said, one of my targets is below the swing low right here, which is around 2,900, 3,000. So that's one of my areas that I'm looking at for the first potential small bounce. But since let's say that there are a lot of buy orders, it might actually do the opposite. It might not even bounce. It might just slice through. So we will see. Crypto Corey, have patience for a big party. Over here, we don't have patience. Not in a weak market like this. HDHC, I don't understand why don't they just dump. You said to dump the mess out of it. What do you mean? They are dumping it right now. I mean, it can't go down in a straight line, but they dumping it. Let me see. I want to get your course, but I don't know what holding me back. Is day trading easier than swing trading, or what's harder? Okay. First, Aces. Um, let me ask you this question, Aces. You say you want to get my course, all right? Are you looking to day trade or are you looking to swing trade? Okay. That's number one. Are you looking to day trade or are you looking to swing trade? Okay. If you're looking to day trade, then you can look into that. Now, if you let's say that you have time for both, and you ask me, hey man, what should I do? I would tell you to go with day trading. Okay, and the reason why I would tell you to go with day trading is because day trading will make you a better swing trader. Okay, but some people don't have time for day trading, so it all depends on your situation. Okay, so I have students that swing trade and they still make money. But if you want to day trade, it will put you in a different level because you can actually make money daily now. Okay, you can make money weekly. So it's up to you. Now, you said you don't know what's holding you back. I don't know what's holding you back either. I mean, I'm quite sure you know. You just either don't want to say it, or you shouldn't have an idea of what's holding you back. Okay. I don't know what's holding you back. But I tell you this much, I was listening to a video not too long ago. Somebody posted in my Discord room. He said that, if you're scared of taking risk, or if you're scared of doing something new, he said you should be scared or more scared of what's going to happen if you don't take risks. Okay. And which is true. Okay. If you don't take risk, you should be, more scared of that, because 5 years down the road, you're going to look at yourself and say, man, I should have just took that risk, because you're going to be in that same situation. So that's the problem with a lot of people. Maybe it's fear or maybe it's something. I don't know what's holding some people back, but I want you guys to think about this. Okay, imagine yourself 5 years from now. If you don't take action now, imagine where you're going to be 5 years from now. You're just going to be another regular guy. Okay, so life is all about growing, improving, and taking risk. Okay, the thing I love about the markets is it's not about risk, but it's about calculated risk. Okay, so you are very calculated, especially if you're dealing with a system that works. The thing I love about it is you can actually go on your demo account before you go live. Like, for example, I have a lot of students right now in my day trading class that's doing real good in the demo account, because I teach my students to go demo first. Okay, don't go straight live. Okay, go demo first, practice. Okay, and these guys in the day trading room are doing very good with the demo right now. I have a couple of people that went live. They already doubled their account, tripled their account. And the people that didn't go live yet, they actually doing real good in the demo. Okay, so that's the beauty of the markets. You don't have to risk money at first. You just practice and get good. Okay, so don't let anything hold you back. Let me see here. Let me read these questions here. Watching the history of Bitcoin, November seems to end a little higher. You can't go by that, Christopher. You can never ever go by what happened in the past. Okay, you have to look at the overall chart. Okay, so basically, what I mean by that is just because every single September or October Bitcoin went up doesn't mean that it's going to do it this year. Okay, and not only that, you have to look at the bigger picture. The bigger picture is we are the momentum to the downside. So going up right now is going to be very hard. Aces said, I believe day trading is less stressful than swing trading because you do your day trades, get out. Whereas, that, that's true because day trading, you don't have to hold anything overnight. But some people still have a job, so they can't really day trade. I do understand that too. But if you do have a job that allows you to at least day trade 1 or 2 days during the week, or maybe you can day trade before you go to work. Okay, I have people that's doing that too. They day trade for a couple hours before they go to work and whatever. But yes, can you teach us how to use the moving average? It's no way to use the moving average. Okay, the moving average is just a guide. Okay, so let's say that. Let me see. I have the 8. Let me see if I can actually, let's say I'm looking at the 100 moving average. All of this is just the guide of where the trend is. Okay, so basically, if price, if you see price above the moving average, you generally want to go long, right? You don't want to go in the opposite direction. Okay, so if you look at last year, we was above these moving average. Okay, so this year we went below the moving average. So it's basically a guide of of the major trend. So it's not really a tool that you want to use all the time, but you can actually use it. You can gauge it for the trend. Where is the bottom? No one knows the bottom. I can tell you this much. It looks like we're going to have some heavy selling. Probably, I'm thinking we're going to probably have one more down, one more leg down, maybe to the 3,000 mark, 2,900 mark. And then from there, we're probably going to bounce a little bit. But there's no bottom. I mean, me personally, I believe that we are going to go below the 1,000 mark. And that's because they have to clean out a lot of these coins, these altcoins. And they also have to clean out a lot of people that's trying to pick the bottoms, okay? These guys are smart guys. They know that you are trying to pick the bottoms. They know it. So Aces said, I'm looking at day trade. I have your swing trader course already. Okay, yeah, Aces. So, I just explained to you, your situation. All right. So, like I said, it's up to you at the end of the day. You have to ask yourself, listen, if I don't take any action, where I'm going to be in the next 5 years, that's how I usually help myself take that next step. Okay, so let's say that I'm scared about something. What I try to do is I try to go out in the future and think about what if I don't take this action, what's going to happen? Okay, am I going to regret it? Am I going to be worse 5 years, 10 years from now? So that's what you have to do. You have to make yourself feel pain, because if you don't, you're never going to take action. Let me see. Dom says buckle up. Yeah. Colin said, how convenient are you, Ben? What's going on, bro? You said, what is my price estimate on what? BTC? Like I said, I told you, what is it? Below 1,000. We're not going to hit it one shot. Of course, we're going to have bounces. So right now, I don't think we're going to bounce that high, but we could actually bounce right now. Or we can actually have another leg down. So I think we're going to have probably one more leg down. I think we're going to probably have one more red week. Okay. And then we're probably going to see a bounce. But this thing might get brutal, guys. I mean, just be patient. Jamal, what includes in your course? If you're talking about this course, shout out to you guys. let me give you guys that discount. I usually give you guys that live stream discount, so let me give it to you right now. So the original price is 300. Let me see here. I just gave you guys that 50% discount. So that's only for the live stream. When I get off a live stream, it goes right back to 150. Now, what does this show you? Basically, it would help you navigate through this market, help you make money in a bull market, and basically you just go down here and read, what you're going to learn when you pick up the course. Basically, you're going to learn how to identify a trend, how to sell in the downtrend, how to buy in the uptrend, how to stay out the market, how to enter, how to exit, where to put your stop loss, different things like that. Okay. And also this course comes with a Discord room, so you can you can chat with me and my students. And also I have a day trading class, course that is about how to day trade the futures market. Okay. Now that's another beast. Okay, that's another beast that allows you to make money daily. It costs more than this course, but it's worth it because I have people that triple their account, double their account already. So if you have more questions about that, you can email me. Actually, I might bring that, because right now, if you go to the page that I have for the public, it's going to say it's closed. I might bring it back because I've been getting a lot of emails asking me about that course. I might bring it back. We'll see. But if you want to learn more about that day trading course, you just have to email me. All right. Let's see here. Robert James, everyone, Ben's day trading course is life changing. I can vouch for that. Okay, so guys, this Robert, shout out to Robert. He's actually one of my day trading students, and he actually bought my crypto course too. This guy probably made over 5K already. Okay, he probably tripled his account already. And ever since he's been going live, he's been doing real good. Okay, so if you want to hear from one of my students here, here it is right here. This is one of my students right here. Okay, and that's honestly, that's what I rather one of my students talk for me, than me try to tell you what's going on, because my students, it's best to let my students tell you what's really going on. How much is my day trading course? It all depends on if my day trading course is $950 if you don't have the crypto course. Let's say you have the crypto course. It's going to cost you it's going to cost you $750. But it's worth it. I told you already. People already quadruple their investment already. The class is like 3 weeks old. 3 weeks old, and they already triple their account. Let me see here. But like I said, email me for the day trading class. Like I said, I might bring it back, because right now what you see, if you go to the page, it's closed to the public. But I'm actually might bring it back since the market is dropping like that. I know some of you guys are losing a lot of money. You want to learn about day trading, so I actually might bring it back to the public. Okay, because I'm definitely getting a lot of emails, people asking me about day trading. So if you are interested in day trading, just email me. Let me see if you guys have my email address. I'm gonna give you my email address right now. Now, like I said, guys, the day trading is another beast, because it's going to take you to another level, and it's going to show you how these Wall Street guys are really making money. Okay. We have a troll already. What's going on? I'm not even talking about any moon anything, and we have trolls already. What's going on? Let me see here. Yeah, that's why I believe a little spike is going to be 400 increase. A little spike. We'll see. We'll see. What's going on, deloading? Colin said, "Thank you, Ben. 100% respect, boy. Shout out to you, bro." What's going on here? I see delete message. Someone said BS. We got haters already, and we not even talking about the crypto market, and we got haters. It's crazy. Deloading said, "This channel is my favorite because you learn so much from Ben, man." Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Actually, let me drop that bomb. And let me give you a round of applause, man. I mean, it's ridiculous. Christopher, I want you to email me. I just put my email in the chat box. Chat box. So email me. All right, Christopher. Bring it back cheaper. John E. Banks said, "Bring it back cheaper." John, I wish. John, you have to understand. That day trading course, I shouldn't be even charging you guys $950. I should be charging you at least minimum $2,000 for that course. Okay, this is life changing stuff. This acts like Robert said. Okay, just read. He just showed you. Robert said, let me read Robert. He's actually one of my day trading. Okay. He said, "Everyone, Ben day trading course is life changing. I can vouch for it." Okay, life changing. You know what life changing is? Okay, imagine you waking up today, open up your laptop. You're not going to work. You're at your house. You making $300, $400. Okay, for the day, and you're done. Imagine that. Okay, now it's going to come to a point where you actually are making more than that. Okay, so Robert right here, he's telling you he made $900 today. Okay, he made $900 today. So imagine you sitting home, relaxes, because sometimes when I day trade, I'm laying down. I'm laying down in my bed with my laptop, chilling. Imagine having that type of freedom. You can't really put a price on that. So I can't undercut myself and sell it for cheap, because that type of information, you can't find it. Let me see here. Most of the retail investors are so emotional. The sharks are out. You said the sharks out. They know it. They know your button, sharks. Yes, they know your button. They know how to play with your emotions. They actually know how much you're risking. They know when you buying. They know that you put your stop loss here. They know that you are trying to buy the dips. They know everything. So that's why you always have to think like a whale. I'm going to join your beginner class next month, Ben. Shout out to you, Bina. Let me give you a round of applause, okay? You said next week? Okay, shout out to you. Okay, so we have a troll already. Like I said, guys, I'm not even talking about crypto, and we got trolls. What's going on? Okay, so I don't know who this guy is. A crypto ninja said, "Listen, guys, 750 crypto ninja is only 750 for the people that bought the crypto course. It's actually 950. Okay, so get that correct. Okay, 750 for a course. You're robbing, cunt. People do that as for free, just for $20. Oh, so Crypto Ninja. So let me ask you a question, Crypto Ninja. Since you are so You know, since you know so much, how come your portfolio is down 80%? Okay, just think about that for a second. And guys, when I come on here, you know, I'm here trying to give people knowledge. And when I have trolls like that, I usually call the trolls losers. Okay, so let's give him the loser button. Okay, let's give him the loser button because he's coming out his way. I'm a loser. I'm a loser.
I'm a loser.
He's coming out his way and trying to, you know, mess up the flow. I'm trying to help people, okay? There's Crypto Ninja. I know you out of here because they kicked you out, but I know you're listening, okay? So let me ask you this, Crypto Ninja. Your favorite YouTuber, is he posting videos live showing you that he make money or showing you how he's making money from the markets? Okay? No. Are you posting videos live showing people that you're making money from the markets? No. Okay? If you go on my channel, I have live videos of me making money. Okay? So you can call me a scam, you can call me whatever you want to, but I have proof. Okay? I have, you know, actions speak louder than words. So that's why I actually post those videos, just for people just like you that always talk nonsense. Okay, the people that is in the crypto market right now that's selling courses, they don't post videos of them making money live. Okay, that's why I post videos just like that, just for guys just like Crypto Ninja. Okay, you know, losers just like him. I on purpose post those videos just for guys like you. So I hope you have a nice day, buddy. Okay, just because you have you know, just because you're losing, don't try to take your anger out on me. You know, you got another you got haters all over the place. All right. Is the trading in the bear market better than the bull market? Yes, trading in the bear market, actually both is, you know, both is good. Trading in the bear market, you can really get those gains because a lot of times the moves are quick. You are using leverage. So me personally, I love going short. I love going short. Robert James said the day trading course is not expensive. It's well worth it. It's well worth it. It's worth more. I made my money back in 2 days going live. So for you guys that are, you know, trolling, you know, listen to a person that basically bought my course. Okay, that's why I love coming on. That's why I love coming lives. You know, going live sometimes because, you know, it is these trolls. If you notice, these trolls always leave because they don't have nothing else to say. You know, when your students are doing good, when you are doing good, they have nothing else to say. All right. This is one of my students, Robert James. Okay, he said he made his money back in 2 days. Not only that, not only he made his money back, guys, he made more. And guys, you have to understand, when you buy something, especially like a course like mine's, is an asset. Okay, an asset is something that pays you over and over and over. So what basically Robert is saying is he's good for life. He's good forever. So he has a skill now that can help him make money forever. Okay, don't you get that? So your guys are looking at a price that you're paying one time, but you're not looking at what's going to happen in the future. All right, the future is telling you that you know, you can actually make money forever. Okay, you can't put a price on that. Like I said, I should be charging at least $2,000 minimum. They hating on the price. Nah, you know, these guys are losers. Okay, so they're gonna hate on anything. You know, it is what it is. Dom said hit that button. Yeah, I hit the button already, Dom. I hit that button. This is where you get the real deal. Exactly. All right. Guys, with Ben swing trading course, I can't even trade while I'm at work. Yes. So Dom said he's trading at work. Yeah, honestly, Don, you're not the first person that said that. Okay, I have another student named Keith. He was actually day trading, guys. Day trading in his closet at work. So he he brought his laptop at work. He opened up his laptop. I think he was at lunch or on lunch or whatever. And he was in a closet and he was day trading. He made money too. He showed me. He's like, yo, bro, I made money while I'm at work in my closet. That was so funny, bro. I'm still studying your course, Ben. The crypto one, doing demos, learning the markets, and read the charts. Once I'm ready, I'm going to, for day trading also. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Shout out to you. That ninja's a fool, yeah. I bet he's buying XRP. You said. Yeah, you know, it's a lot of people in the crypto market. They mad, so they just try to you know, take their anger and point it at me. But you know, it is what it is. If you don't want, it's funny because those are the type of people that don't want to improve. Okay, you know, when I first started out and I lost $85,000, you think I got mad at the people? Or people in general? No, I said, man, listen, that was my fault. I lost my money, and that was my fault. Now it's time to suck it up, and it's time to figure out what I did wrong. Okay, that's why a lot of people don't succeed. Okay, they don't try to figure out what they did wrong. They just try harder. Okay, so that's why most people are buying the dips right now. The reason why most people are buying the dips right now is because they are not trying to improve. They are trying harder. In doing the same thing, just like Einstein said, okay, you can't continue to do the same thing and expect the same result. You can't. Okay, so people are buying the dips, hoping that they will get a different result when they buy the dips, guys. You know, and that's a dangerous game, guys. You know, I tell you guys all the time that my channel is all about making money now. It's just what it is. Okay. You know, I'm so glad. I'm actually blessed to be in this position to help you guys and show you the way. Okay. No one ever showed me the way. And basically, when I first started out, no one basically gave me a hand. So I'm so glad I'm in this position to show you guys the way and help you guys either save money or make money. Okay, and I'm glad I'm actually here to show you that the rich is basically playing a different game. All right. Let me see here. This is my best ever week. Big Ben is the real deal. Shout out to you, Peter. Let me give him a round of applause. He said this is his best ever week. People think I'm joking when I say, yo, guys, there's money right now. You can make money right now. I swear people think I'm joking. That's why I actually post these videos, okay, of me making money. If you haven't seen them, just go to my channel. You'll see. Do you prefer Forex or crypto or trading for crypto? Well, Ray Thomas, I don't day trade crypto. I only swing trade crypto. So this course is actually about swing trading. My day trading course is strictly about day trading the futures market. So the futures market, you can day trade. You know, you can day trade NASDAQ. You can day trade S&P. You can day trade crude oil. I right now I'm focusing on crude oil, so that's what I day trade. That's what most of my students day trade. But they have a lot of markets you can day trade in the futures market. Okay, you can day trade gold, wheat, silver, a lot of markets, you can even day trade some forex markets. Let me see here. If you guys don't have this link, let me know. And also with the day trading course, it actually comes with a Discord room too, so that's even better. Let me see if you guys have any questions, guys. Why I wasn't invited? What Glenn talking about? Oh, you said you've been cooking and eating? Haha. Shout out to you, Glenn. Triangle forming in 1 hour, possibly breakout. Let me see. 1 hour. Let's see. Let's check it. Let's check it out. Let's check out that 1 hour. So you said is a triangle forming on a 1 hour. Okay. Are you saying that the 1 hour is going to break out? I don't like this triangle. Okay, this triangle looks weak. Okay, I mean, it's no buys or buying behind this triangle. Okay, this triangle is actually looks real weak. So we have to wait until we see more action. Okay, it looks like the market itself has a lot of resistance right there. Okay, so we just have to wait. I don't like this at all. So we just have to wait. Join the stream, in your humble opinion, is this is over. Shout out to Zach. Okay, Zach said, "Is the crash over?" That's what you're talking about. No, the crash is. I believe the crash is not over because the way that we left this breakout, okay, this big triangle breakout, the way we left it, tells me that there's a lot of selling pressure. Okay. We got to 3,000 real quick. Real quick. So that tells me that there's a lot of pressure on the downside. So most likely we will see lower lows, and maybe when we hit 31, 3,000 or 29, then we probably see a bounce. Okay. Now, when we see a bounce, guys, I don't want you guys to be, I don't want you guys to get tricked, because that's what's going to happen. Okay, we're going to, because you have to understand the market never goes straight down. It always have pullbacks. Okay, just like we saw this year. Okay, we see the market go down, pull back, go down, pull back. So you always have to understand the market always have pullbacks. So we are going to see a pullback. We are going to see a pullback. Now, I don't want you guys to get happy when you see this pullback, okay? Because usually, this first pullback is probably going to get wiped out, all right? So I don't want you guys to get happy, guys, all right? Please do not, be one of these average Joes. Over here, I'm trying to help you guys become professionals, because over here, we don't follow the crowd. If the crowd is going left, we are going right, all right? And if you are new to this channel, guys, if you're new to this channel and you're tired of people lying to you, telling you that this is the bottom and we're going down every single month, you have XRP dudes reading you the news every single day, but the price is going down. If you're tired of that, guys, I know it. I know it deep down inside it, guys. I know you are tired of it. Okay? You are tired of it. So if you are tired of that, hit the subscribe button, guys, because over here, I don't lie to you. I don't have no reason to lie to you, because over here, I give you guys tough love because I want you guys to not lose money, okay? Now, if I was trying to lie to you, I would tell you moon this, moon that, we going up, this is the bottom. That's what I would use, right? But I don't care if people unsubscribe from me because I don't make money from the YouTube, okay? My job, okay, is to, or my duty, I believe, as a professional, is to warn people, hey, man, stop it, okay? We are in the bear market, and that's it, all right? What I do full-time is trade, okay? I showed you guys videos on top of videos on top of videos what I do. So I'm happy to tell you guys, hey, man, This looks weak. It looks like we are going to continue to go back down. It looks like we are going to continue to sell this year and next year. Okay, we have to wipe out a lot of people. Let's see. You said you want some KFC. I actually had some KFC. What was it, last week? Even though I shouldn't be eating KFC, you know, it is what it is. Glenn said I haven't had KFC in a long time. Let me read these questions real quick. I'm going to read these questions because I know I have other stuff I want to talk about. I'm trying to figure out. You said you're ready to get the. You said what? You're ready to get. I'm ready next week to buy your course. I'm in. You're the man that we need in the bear market, Gino. Shout out to you, Gino. Shout out to you, man. I'm just trying to help you guys, okay? Like I said, you know, even if I help you save money, I'm glad, okay? You know, let's say that you don't buy my course, right? I'm cool with that because if I'm helping you save money, that's even better because I have a lot of people emailing me and say, bro, I sold before Bitcoin crashed, you know, went below 6,000. I'm so glad that I found your channel because if I didn't found your channel, I'll be definitely still holding this bag. Okay. You only eat wings. KFC has wings. What are you talking about? Why not buy the pullback? Zach, shout out to you. You say you're new to my channel. Let me ask you this question, Zach. Or let me say this to you. Buying the pullback right here, do you think that was a good idea? Buying the pullback. Actually, buying this pullback right here. Buying this pullback right here. Buying this pullback, this pullback, this pullback, this pullback, this pullback, these pullbacks. You think that's a good idea to buy those pullbacks? And I'm trying to, just have a conversation. Trying to see, you know, how you think or what you think about the market. What's going on? What's going on, Dan? What's going on, JR? In this channel, we are not like the common sheeple, exactly, okay? Over here, guys, we are not, we don't follow the crowd, all right? We are professionals. When the crowd goes left, we go right. When people when people say buy the dips, we sell the dips. Crypto said, why you blocked me? I didn't block you. You probably said something crazy, so probably one of my mods blocked you. So if you are coming on here saying something crazy, my mods is going to block you. It's just what it is. Because this channel is about the community and we helping people and we just vibing. We are talking and we learn about the market, and this is not a game. Like, this is not, you have to understand, people are losing their hard-earned money. So this is not a game. You can't just come on here and, talk and be disrespectful. Let's see here. Let me see here. You said the way Bitcoin fall is so stiff. I don't know. It can climb up to 5,000. I don't know. I mean, honestly, 5,000 is a lot. The way it dropped all the way down to 3,000, honestly, I really don't see 5,000 no time soon. Maybe 4,000, maybe even 45. I don't even see 45 anytime soon. But we will definitely see. But I definitely believe that they do want to, make another leg down soon. I don't know if it's going to be this week or next week, but we'll see. If I didn't sell before the scary fall, I would be homeless. Let me give you a round of applause, Bina, because I see a lot of people. I see a lot of crypto YouTubers. They get mad at people that say they're going to sell, and I'm here to tell you guys that is stupid. Okay, that is stupid. How are you gonna get mad at someone else selling? Okay, you don't know that person's situation. You don't know if that person has to pay rent tomorrow or next week. You don't know if that person is going to be homeless. So don't get mad at people that said that, or that's saying they're going to sell. Okay, that's why this crypto industry pissed me off, because these guys are just straight up crazy. Like, I don't get it. They get mad at people saying that they're going to sell. Guys, if you don't believe me, go to one of these crypto groups and type in, "Yo, I'm about to sell my XRP." These guys will cut your head off. Let me see here. Manny said, "I will get the course when I get some money back. When I get some money back up." I hear you, bro. Take your time, man. I hear you. After the holders leave, they will not come back easily. Yeah, you're right, man. I mean, a lot of hodlers are losing a lot of money. And you want to hear something, guys? Okay, you want to hear something? All right. AZ said, "This is not a game." You're right. This is not a game. You want to hear something, guys? Question: would buying now and selling the pullback even halfway up is a crazy idea? No, Steve G. You don't want to buy now at all. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to tell you is, if you buy in a bear market, you don't know how far that bounce is going to go. Okay, so let me give you a good example. Okay, this is why I don't buy in the bear market, because if you buy in the bear market, the bounce might be just a little bit, and that's it, and then they're gonna go right back down. You see how small these bounces are. Now, the reason why a lot of people got lucky around here is because we was in a range. Okay, in the range, the market goes up and down. Okay, that's what the range. That's what the range is. Okay, it's just the market going up and down. Okay, that's why a lot of people got lucky when they was buying. Now, the same people that was buying, I guarantee you, they got caught right here, they got caught right here, and most likely they're going to get caught right here. Okay, so I don't buy anything when it comes to a crazy bear market. I'd rather sell. Let me see. Yeah, think before you open your mouth, otherwise you'll be blocked. Exactly. Hey, what's going on, X? Michael said, "You're the realest, man. Shout out to you, bro." MK Kush, what's going on? Dom said, guys, get Ben's course. Even if it's your only 150, it will be life-changing for you, including the KFC bucket. It includes KFC family bucket. That's funny. Bro. Guys, I want to show you something real quick. All right, I want to show you something real quick. Because my thing is making money now, guys. All right, making money now. So if Bitcoin decides, let's see what Bitcoin was at. Let me see. This doesn't have. Let me go to the other chart. Let's see if I can see it. What was the high of? Okay, so the high of November. This is when we start to crash. Okay, now this is back in December 13th. Okay, guys. Back in 2013. Okay. Now, if Bitcoin decides to go all the way back down to 1,000, which I believe Bitcoin will go most likely back to 1,000 or even under 1,000. Don't you know that the people that bought in 2013, okay, let's say that you bought 2013, and let's say that Bitcoin goes all the way back down in 2000, all the way back down to 1,000. Okay, let's say that that's going to happen next year. Okay, I don't think it's going to happen this year unless Tether comes with some crazy news. But let's say it's going to take another couple of months before it reach that 1,000 mark. Don't you know that that's pretty much 5 years of you hodling? Five years of you hodling, and you have nothing to show. Okay, you can't show people your profits. You're back to zero. You're back to break even. And this is what I'm trying to show you guys. Okay, I'm trying to show you guys that hodling is okay. Okay, it's all right, but it's not the game that the rich is playing. Okay, the rich are not playing that game, guys. Do they have long-term investments? Yes, but it's just a small percentage of what they do. These guys are looking to make money now. So I don't care what no one says. If you've been hodling for 5 years and all of a sudden you wake up and you back to break even, how are you going to feel inside? You're going to be hurt. I don't care what anyone said. You are going to be hurt. Because that's 5 years that you can't get back. 5 years you wasted. 5 years you wasted and you're back to break even. This is why I don't hodl. And this is why I always take profits, okay? This is why I always take profits because, if that market goes down to the 1,000 mark, okay, a lot of people probably made a lot of money from this run, okay? Maybe close to $1 million. I know I had one guy came and he said he made 700K and he didn't take any profits, and now he's back to zero or back to where he started, okay? So there's a lot of people that actually made millions, okay, from this run up, but they didn't take their profits. Now they're back to zero, okay? If the market goes back down, 5 years they wasted. So this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. If you learn how to read a chart, you don't have to go through that nonsense. You don't have to go through that nonsense. Let me see if I see any questions here. What's going on with Mark D? Mark D is trolling. What's going on, guys? I mean, yeah, Mark D is a troll. I don't get it. These trolls are just basically out here because they're losing money and they trying to take their anger out on me. All right, so let's go here. Cash is king. Shout out to you. Which exchange are you trading? Are you talking about the crypto? The crypto one, I'm using JavaX, but there's a lot of other exchanges you can use. And the futures one, the day trading one, the futures, I'm using Sierra charts. I'm reading these questions. Dom said he want me to hit that button. So Dom said he want me to hit that button. Okay, I hit that button.
I'm a loser.
And that's for who? That's for Mark, right?
I'm a loser.
So if you're new to my channel, I usually give that loser button for all the trolls that mess up the live stream. You know, so if you don't know what that's about, that's what that loser button is about. All right. Hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more about how the rich is making money. Is making you know, a lot of money. If you want to learn that, guys, if you don't want to play no games and get angry, you know, because you have to understand these hodlers and these moon boys. Don't you realize these guys get mad at everyone else except themselves? So they get mad when the ETFs are delayed. They get mad when back delayed. I remember a lot of people got mad because back you know, got delayed. Guys, everybody, they get mad at everybody else except them, you know, except themselves. Like, you have to take full responsibility. You have to get mad at yourself too. Okay? Because you're the one that's putting up this money. So you have to take full responsibility. Okay? You can't get mad at other people. You know, I'm not the one that's bringing down the market. All right, so I'm about to get out of here, guys. You said I got Holland hat for Charlie Lee for my Litecoin. Yeah, man. Let me look at Litecoin, guys, real quick. Shout out to Charlie Lee. Charlie Lee is a, you know, he is a dirtbag, but at the same time, you know, he told us Litecoin was going to go to $20. I know at the time a lot of people didn't believe him, but you know, it is what it is. I'm quite sure he knew what was going on, okay? He knew that the market was going to crash. I mean, Litecoin looks sick right now. Sick. Disgusting. All right, so guys, I'm about to get out of here. Like I said, if you have any questions, you can email me. Famous words they throw around is be patient and hold. Yes, Steve G. And the reason why they do that is because they want people to stick around. All right. I tell you guys all the time. Okay. Being patient is good only if you're doing the right thing. Okay. So being patient when the market is dropping and taking your money is not a good thing. Okay, you only want to be patient when you're doing something right. So let's say that you have a strategy, a proven strategy that you know that works. You know, and you're practicing and you're trying to get better. Yes, you definitely want to be patient with that. But you don't want to be patient losing money. You don't want to be that guy that's losing money every single month and being patient with that. No. That's not how it works, bro. Is the course 150? This course is 150, but it's only this 150 is only the live stream price. People email me all the time and say, "Hey, bro, why the price is 300?" Because that's the price. The price is 300. The reason why you saw 150 is because I mean, the reason why you saw 150 is because that's the live stream price. When I get off the live stream, Vingo, when I get off the live stream, it's going to turn to $300. So, you know, when you catch me on live, you can get it for 150. All right. Now, my day trading course, you know, is much more than that, and you have to email me for that. What's going on, guys? Let me see if I see any more questions before I leave. They want you to tie up your money so they can take it in the process of clearing. Let me give you that bomb button. my hodlers out here, if you hear this, I want you to read this. What he said, they want you to tie up your money so they can take it in the process. Okay, that's what the whales, they want you to do. They want you to buy the dip and tie up your money so they can take it. Okay, because the whales, the only way the whales make money is by taking your money. That's it. What's my email? Okay, for the day trading course. Let me give you my email right now. Okay. Alrighty, my email is this right here. I'm gonna give it to you because I'm about to get out of here. I'm getting tired. I need something to drink, and I probably want to watch some. I probably want to watch some basketball. Okay, so and most likely I'm going to bed probably early today. Get some rest. Okay, I want to day trade tomorrow. You know, I want to feel like because yesterday I didn't really get. I went to bed late, so when I wake up, and you know, when you're tired and you're waking up and you day trading, is, you know, it's not the best. I want to rest and feel good when I wake up, so I can be ready for day trading. So let me see if I see one more question. Someone said patiently losing. Exactly right. Buy the dips, be patient, and lose. That's what they want to say. All right. I don't see anything. You said the trolls buying the dips right now. BTC. Yeah, man. I hear you, bro. Yeah, and that tether situation, we don't know what's good with that. I mean, that could blow up any minute. All right, any minute this thing could blow up. So anyway, guys, thanks a lot for stopping by. I appreciate it. Like I said, guys, if you have any questions, especially about the day trading course, you can email me. And make sure you guys just read the charts, study, improve. Okay, not just as a investor or a trader. Improve. You know, be a better human being. Be a better person. Individual. Okay, because once you work on yourself, you can that will help you in your trading and investing. Okay, because some of these, I can tell by listening to some of these guys, you can tell they are very emotional. Okay, very sensitive. So if you work on yourself, work on your emotions, guys, you will be a much better investor and trader. Okay, so it's very good to work on yourself. Self-development, guys, is very good to do. I mean, a lot of people don't work on themselves. They think self-development is just some crazy stuff. It's not, guys. Trust me. It helps you with your confidence. It helps you with your relationships. It helps you with everything, like everything, guys. I mean, work on yourself. Trust me, you're gonna become a better person, a better human being. You're gonna become a better investor. A better trader, you know. So, guys, thanks a lot. Make sure that you improve and study, practice. Talk to you guys later, and have a great night.